Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's dive into an intriguing topic, the surprising effects of war on stock exchanges. It's a complex and often misunderstood subject. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. War and defense spending can amount to a sizable portion of the US GDP. You'd think wars would wreak havoc on stock markets and the economy, right? Surprisingly, that's not always the case. Take recent conflicts in the Middle East and Iran, for example. Despite the heightened tension and uncertainty, markets largely ignored these conflicts. Investors and traders stayed calm, and stock exchanges barely flinched. Now, don't get me wrong, a broader regional war could have a more severe impact, especially when it comes to oil and other commodity prices. If supply chains are disrupted, prices could skyrocket, but even then, stock markets have a way of bouncing back. History shows us that markets often recover to pre-invasion levels only days or weeks after conflicts or standoffs begin. It's almost as if the market has a built-in resilience to such events. This quick recovery can be attributed to the efficiency and adaptability of modern financial systems. But what does this mean for you as an investor? Well, savvy investors make use of every opportunity. They analyze the situation, assess the risks, and make informed decisions. And you shouldn't fall behind. It's crucial to stay informed and be prepared for any scenario. Now let's be clear, no one wants a war. The human cost is immense and heartbreaking. But being prudent and managing your finances wisely is essential, especially in times of uncertainty. So what should you do? Diversify your investments. Keep an eye on the news and geopolitical developments. And most importantly, stay calm and rational. Emotional decisions rarely pay off in the long run. Remember, the key to successful investing is not to react impulsively. Instead, take a step back, assess the situation, and make informed choices. In the end, patience and prudence often win the day. That's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay safe.